All right, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, June 24th, or July 24th. Hey, I'm trying to live in the past. We had this nice market sell off here. We're breaking the structure here, retesting. Right up here in this top, it looks like buyers got absorbed by the sellers and price pushed lower. We're in for a treat today. We'll see what happens today. About to go live here on my other session here, so give me a second. All right. So, guys, it does look like the buyers came in, tried to reclaim, went into an ABC swing and hit this area of supply, and the market had a different look, right? Now we're sweeping these lows. We will see if they continue to push down. Looks like you got overnight low here, which is today's low, and also yesterday's low right below it up here. It looks like we got today's overnight high and yesterday's overnight high. I wanted to see if the market could really pull back and get to here, but it couldn't even get to that structure. So, no bueno, no bueno. Again, the buyers got absorbed by the sellers and price pushed lower. If you took this short off of these double sell, now that's a double sell. That's a very strong sell. So you would be short here with a stop here, and of course market goes down, takes out the low, you would be targeting that low. Or you're targeting that inside swing, which is that low anyway. So if you follow the fibs, that's where you would end up. Anyway, so pulling from that high to that low, this is what it would look like, or this low to that high, you're sweeping the lows here. So that would have been our target, as this was our target on the upside. I'm up 657 on funded accounts right now. Market is what it is. We're getting there, right? So price now, we're just gonna have to see what it does. Kind of flat right now. Order flow looks pretty good, and this particular area, 28,650 is POC. So we're trading below POC. POC is about 50% of that move. So can we retest that? I don't know. But if we go look at the bigger picture, this is where I went long last night. I came in and traded during London last night. That's where some of this money came from. This was my markup. They went into a squeeze, swept this low. I went long right here, and it gave me a buy signal, and the market went up. That's how I made this money. Okay. I actually held the trade to this high, and then after this pullback and we broke the high, I put my stop up here in profit, and I ended up getting this full move. So, and of course it pulled back. I went to bed about 140, 150 in the morning. So, but I was able to catch this nice ABC swing on the macro side, and it worked out, targeting back into these highs here. So, long story short, let's take a look at what we got, right? So this was our open right in here yesterday. That's yesterday's high. I'm just showing you levels right now. Yeah. So this was yesterday's high here. Yeah, it's already sent, buddy. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. If you're just coming in, good morning. So that was yesterday's high, overnight high right here, right? Price pushed down, put this overnight low in. So this is really your range, which is, it's a good amount of points there. Are we going to have a gap down today? It sure looks like we're going to get a gap down, right? What does that mean? So from opening price up here, price is going to gap down. The question is, are we going to continue to push? Or are we going to pull back and push? Or is that gap down enough for us to get enough buyers in and then we rip price higher? Don't know. But what we do know is it doesn't matter. We're going to wait for this setup and we're going to trade it, so no big deal. Good morning, guys. I did catch this long for London last night. It was great. It was a beautiful trade. Beautiful buy right out of the hole. Now we are freshly pulling back. Where does this go? Let's take a look. If these are going to play the zone, this is where we're going. Let's just mark it up. Looks like we're going to take out this previous low right here. It's funny how these line up right in here. I'm not exactly on that candle, but that's okay. Right in this area. Good morning, Sean.
Hey, good morning, guys.
I traded your London session last night.
Man, I woke up at 3:20 and seen it. I was so mad. I was so mad.
I caught that buy right there. Right there. That's where I went long.
Nice, nice,
It's up 657.
nice. How many contracts?
2.
Okay.
I took profit half the way, put stop, and went up and hit the next $300. I took this trade this morning with the class this morning. I took this trade too right here. I went after this pushed up and pulled back and put in the C phase. We went long in here, and I got a little money off of this trade.
Y'all been on for a couple hours?
So I do class 3 times a week at 6 o'clock for students that I've been training.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. We're going through order flow. Here's a buy, guys. You got to understand whether you want to buy this or not. I don't know. We do have a high low in, right? We come right out of the supply zone. We broke through the demand zone. Are we retesting it to go further down? This zone down here is a little bit better, but I don't know. We will have to see. Coming up on 7:13, we'll just have to see how this market wants to play this game. A lot of stacked buyers coming in here. 37 though. Very low. We probably have another leg down. Market shift. Pay attention, guys. There might be something setting up here. $41 stop here if you take this trade. I think we come back up into a C phase here. It's $40. I'm going to try it. One contract. Nothing crazy. Just one contract. Do we poke our nose through this low first and sweep it? Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. All right. We want to pull back up to go short if that's what it wants to do. Ideally, we get back up into this area. This would be a better buy down here where my stop is at. I just don't know if it comes down there. The cycle's starting to roll over here. We need to retest and push higher. Five-minute rejection bar looks good, but I don't know that. I mean, this bar could put in a wick to the downside, but that's a higher low on a pin bar. So, let's see. Negative delta 380. Can we get her? Can we get it? And get this inversion long back up into that gray box? That would be sweet. Can we get to 640? I don't know if we can get it. Still a little early. We don't want this 5-minute to close, or 15-minute close below that yellow line. We want to be above it, guys. We want to be above that yellow line on a 15-minute time frame. We may end up sweeping this low at the open, guys. Getting into this fib level and then going. Just know that this is a pullback. We're breaking through this structure right here. So if we can hold this structure, this will be good. If we can't hold it, it's not going to stay. Matter of fact, I'm just going to take this off. I'm out. We're getting more buyers and sellers picking up the pace here. It is what it is. I like to see the sweep of this low first. Anyways, nice little trade. Got some money. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to take a short break. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second here. guys, I'm back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Whoa, there she goes. I said it. The buyers and sellers are trying to take, the buyers are trying to take this back here. I don't know if they get it or not, but we'll see. Woof, good morning. I am currently up $671. So I'm going to switch over to my other accounts here. We're going to go into trade here. I'm going to log into my funded and my Apex. Apex brokerage right here and my funded. Ba-ding! Come on, log me in. All you got to do is listen to your buy-sell signals. Not necessarily. There are some rules to it, but pretty much, yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think we're going to flush this. They are building a counter trend line liquidity here. We will see if they break through this. They're on the upside of the squeeze right now, but it looks like they're trying to put in another squeeze here on the shorts. Okay, they look like they're trying to squeeze the shorts out. So they're trying to get shorts in and then they move them up. Get them in, move them up. And then eventually they either give in to them and let them take it, or they just take it all from them. Right? We don't care where the market goes. It can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways. We're looking to make money, so. This 4-hour bar does not look pretty though. Okay, this 4-hour time frame does not. This blue line is the top of the 4-hour bars here, guys. Right? I marked this up the other morning when this market was doing this stupid thing here. So I mean, we closed higher, but pushed lower again, and then we're back up, and now we're retesting into the zone again. If they can hold it, great. If they can't and they flush it down, we may be looking for an ABC swing to the downside. And this is going to be a red day today on the market. Now, I'm not wanting to have it. Right now, I'm having a green day. I want to continue to have a green day. So, let's see what we can get here. And there's the flush, just like we talked about, coming into the open. $204 sellers here on the bar. We're sitting about 200 contracts on the downside on this delta here. 600 overall, 700 contracts at the downside. Not looking pretty. Now we are in a zone where we could see the bounce here to open. Maybe push. We may even push to 8,520. Look at the bigger picture here on the 15-minute time frame. We have a higher low here, lower high, inside swing to the outside swing. That's what I'm hoping. Maybe it doesn't happen, but that's what I'm hoping to see today. I'm looking for that inversion long or reversal in this area if they can do it. If they end up taking this out, this trend line liquidity is starting to become real here. If they take this out on the 15-minute time frame, let me just paint this picture for you. We're coming through it right now. Okay? We'll see if this thing sucks back up and goes forward. But we're coming through it right now on the 15-minute time frame. Not looking pretty for it. Not looking pretty for the longs. Woof! Pulling back here. let's go ahead and mark up this next trend line liquidity. You got all this money down here, okay? I am going to bring this down off of this low. Now we're opening, right? We're going to shoot back up. Hey. Nice big sell-off here, guys. All right, here's your trend line liquidity. Can we come down and take out the overnight low? This 4-hour chart's looking pretty crappy, guys. Man, this is ugly, baby, ugly. My mama said it ugly. Everything's selling off. ES selling off. RTY selling off. NASDAQ selling off. Everything is selling off here. Only 900 contracts on the sell side here. I like this little long here for a scalp up, but I'm a little late for it. Trendline liquidity's real here. Need a little pump here, guys. I'm going to take this, oh man, I'm not. They're trying to buy it right here at 59, 539. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to try it.
Order submitted.
See if this thing can pump right back up into here. Run some of this liquidity. I'm only in one contract, guys. Oh, there it is right there. I'm going to lock this in.
Order filled.
All right, I'm on the board. 50 bucks. $50. $50. $50. 620 in my other accounts, but this is copied in my other accounts. I already turned those off from taking that London trade last night and the first long and short this morning. Let's see what this does, guys. We got a high low in, right? This is a high. That's the low. If we get up here and take out this high, this is actually building out a supply zone. We'll see if we get rejected here for that next swing to the downside. Could be a red day today for the markets. I don't know. This is a very crucial area on the daily and the 4-hour time frame for the market, the whole price here. Gonna get a buy signal here. The question is, are you a bull or are you a bear today? You're gonna be a bull or are you gonna be a bear? Right? We need to get through this level. You know that this gray box I marked up for short, this one right here is the level we got to get through. So you're buying into this resistance. Just know that. That's why I bought down here, because I didn't want to buy up here. We got about 180 buyers in this candle. 200 buyers now. They're stacking in 220, 240, 217. Can they do it? We're back to 240 again. We're getting through the market shift line. This may be a trade I want to entertain. Now you got to remember the previous 5-minute bar that sold off is 478 sellers in that bar. Here it goes. All right, there's the long, guys. I'm in this. Let's see if they can do it. I'm following the signal here. All right. This is resistance up here. Buying right in it. I really don't like this, but can they do it? Stops and pray profit for me. I got stopped out. I don't like this, but the buyers are really starting to step in a little bit. 180. Here we go. Buyers coming in now. I didn't give it enough time. Let's see what they do. I don't know if they're sucking these guys in to sell off, so I'm just going to be patient here.
Stop filled.
Remember, I just got done saying this was a high-low, and we're pushing into it, into the supply zone, right? And I wanted to get through it. It's a dangerous trade, right? The buy was down here. I took the buy down here into that. I don't know if we get it. This is probably going to sweep this, guys. It's looking pretty heavy. Are you a bear or bull today? Be patient. Order flow just sold back 289 contracts in that candle. They're back in the demand zone. I don't know if they can hold this or not, guys. That's an inside swing. Absolutely, that's a low, that's a high now. Is this going to be the inside swing or is it going to go? Just chopping around here. Just needs to sweep this. I'm not going to trade right here, guys. I'm going to wait. There's a signal there for a short, but I don't know that. This is another C phase. We're in a 50-50 zone. This is what we got. Trade one contract. If you're going to trade light until you get this move happens. ES is looking a little better than NASDAQ on this pullback. Here comes the short, guys. There's a swipe of the lows. We sweep this here. Yep. We're coming down to TP1. It's trying hard. 520 sellers and we're not breaking this low. It looks like some absorption is starting to happen. Some of the buyers are absorbing the sellers or trying to here. Let's see what happens. If you're short, be careful. Can we come down to yesterday's close, which is right down here? Yesterday's low. You got to make a decision. Are you a bear or a bull today? Looks like these are going to go, guys. Let's give it a... I want to give it a whirl. I'm in it. Let's see if I can just do it. Let's see if these sellers pick them up. I see them coming in. Can they do it? Can they do it? Target 1 hits. I'm just going to drop this down. I'm only trading 1 contract. Alright, it got into target 1. I just put my stop in profit. Trying to get number 2. Apple's starting to turn back up, though. This is a sweep of the low, guys. We could get rejected here. It'd be nice if they just push it hard. Risk-free trade. And I'm going to get taken out.
Order.
Yeah, my stop's probably in profit in profit too quick. I don't like shorting the low, as you guys know. Not the best trade scenario for me. The short took place here. I'm getting in down here. We could have got it up here. Target 1 and target 2's right here. You have a double sell here. So a strong move. Sean, you still in it? Did you get out?
I'm still in it.
Nice. Here's target 2. It's so hard to short the bottom like this. Alright guys, you're coming into this wick down here. We're in it. Can we take out the lows? Alright, we're sweeping the lows here. There it goes. God, what a piculation here, huh? It's about 150 points to the downside. We are at value area low, 95% oversold if you trade that oversold mark. I'm looking, if we can get through here, I'm looking for a long. I don't want it to come in here, bounce, and go without me, and I don't want to bounce here and then just go here and then come back and get me. So I'm going to punch in this long here, guys. I'm in. Knowing that we could push lower, though. Knowing that we could push a little lower. I will DCA this on the way down. Let me look. Oh, we got flash PMI coming out. They're going to sweep the low and then go. What are they going to do here? No, shoot up.
filled.
No reaction. Wow, no reaction at all. I plan on adding to this as I push down. Market's still trying to be short here. We're going to sweep this yellow line, guys. We're going to sweep this low again. Come on, market shift. Shift down. There's the sweep. Man, I should have added to that, dude.
Order
I
submitted.
added. They're going for this yesterday's low here, guys. I'm playing the game. I'm in 8 micros. Not even a full contract. ES is already going back up. We'll see if it can hold this higher low. Here it comes, guys. Let's see if these buyers step in. I still want to see it possibly rip this bottom here. Amazon's red. Semiconductors are even red today, so that's not good. But we should get some kind of bounce back up, I would imagine here. If I can hit that 4, that will shift us down. Man, got close. Got look at that, real close to a couple ticks away. Oh, if they flush this, it's going to be ugly. I'm prepared to add below this, though. If you don't like it, guys, and you're bear, make sure you're on the sell side. Do not copy this. I'm DCA, and I should have exited and got back in, right? But I got room here. Hit that 4, baby. Come on. It can't even swallow the next wick. $591 profit still. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Man, I would have to put 10 in to get down to the bottom there. Whew. Oh, that'd be 2 contracts. That'd be okay. Let's see if they can do it, though. Market sold down about 170 points, 180 points right now. Come on, bounce up there, baby. Tesla's even starting to sell off. This is not good. Give me it. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, go with it. Give me that 300 points straight up. I'm at daily target.
Order filled. I
saw the buyers coming in, guys. I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it. I saw the buyers buying it on the way down. On the order flow, I told you guys they were buying this level. We'll take off one more. I'll stay in one. I don't know if they get this 300 point pump. It would be nice if they did, if they pumped right up that whole 170 and gave it back to me. Stop. It's a risk-free trade. Locked in $270 right now. Let's see if we can get this pump back up out of here. Or are we going to stay in a C phase here? There might be one more leg to the downside down that I'm looking at this. They may, so this is the first string of buyers. They may try and take this low here and then go. Okay, take out these guys right here. That's what they're doing. That's what they're going to do, guys. So they're going to push this low here. There's a short coming in. Here it comes. Hey, I'm happy, right? 774. Boom. All right, there's the sweep of that low. That's the sweep. I don't like that. We just picked up double the buy side, which is weird. Who's gonna sell? Well, I guess the retailers will sell this low. I'm not selling it. No, I can't sell it down here. If anything, I should have took profits here and sold here. Let's see if they can break this. Little bit on the caution side here. ES is trying to sell off now too. We just broke that yesterday's low. We just took it out. This 4 hour in the daily looks shitty, guys. I'm just saying. We just took out all the previous 4 hour bars here. Can this turn into a wick and get back up here, right? That's the question. Or are we going to keep pushing down? If this is a swing on the 4 hour, you got an ABC swing. It goes lower. Daily time, hour time frame. This don't look healthy either. All right, we're breaking down through this low right here. On the daily, 3 red days in a row. Boy, I tell you what. Trying to find a bottom here is going to be dangerous.
I just hit a target on the bottom. Should I not sell no more? Or?
I do not put any more trades in. I mean, if you're at Target, it's Friday, I would stop. I'm at Target. I turned off a bunch of accounts already. I'm trading another set of accounts, but I mean, you can't sell this down here. This is the sell. I mean, so you could have sold this based off of that, but you got to understand that you're at a major support zone.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you're selling support instead of buying it. So this is how people lose their money. But in this case, it actually worked.
Yeah, we're up against last week's low at this very moment. We took out this week's low. And we are at the very last little incy tiny bit of wick from last week, June 9th. Oh, last month. I'm sorry. Last month.
Yeah, we're coming into a major support zone. Let me pull up. What are we gonna pull up? Let me look. Hold on.
Ooh. On TradingView, we can reach 27,600 today.
Let me pull up the Smart Money Pro and see what this thing says. So we had a short up here right before the opening. So this Smart Money Pro says we had a break and a retest. So, and I didn't even look at this, guys. Guys, I can't look at every indicator I built, right? So, I got 6 screens. I need to open up these, right, so I can look at them. And then I'm able to look at the different indicators and what they're reading. But this was a break of structure and a retest. So they broke it, they retested right at the open and sold off. This was a really good trade. You would take the trade here, put your stop here, and then you would target the lows evidently, right? Let's look at that. That worked out really well. Let's look at give me 1 second. TD Trend Pro. What has it got, right? It had a sell signal here as well. with a retest and a short and an ABC swing. ABC swing. So double sell. Yeah, this is strong to the downside here. Let me look at the next one. I'm looking for the Boss Pro called 2 shorts, as you guys already know. What about the RSI? I'm looking at it now. So the RSI Pro. It did not give us a sell here. It did not give us a sell. It broke below the line, but it did not give us a sell. Okay. Yes. That Smart Money Pro is beautiful, yeah. You're getting a small bounce here off of this low here. Let's see if it sweeps it again. We're pretty heavy, guys. 2,500 negative on the Delta. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. We're going to get a little pop here, guys. This is RTY. Let me go to MNQ here. Coming into... We need to come back up to this fair value gap or fair value area. That's a better price. I'm going to take a small long right in here for a scalp. Oh crap, I didn't change this out. I sure the hell didn't. Dan, what are you doing here, dude? Yeah, I accidentally put in 10 contracts here. What the hell?
Goodness gracious.
I did not mean to do that. I forgot. I was set up for the DCA. Well, it looks like I'm going to be trading 2 full contracts here in a minute once this sweeps this low.
Oh, man.
This is stupid. This is what I get when I change charts and I don't pay attention. We got buyers sitting here on order flow. I don't know. They bought this here and then they got rejected out of this area right here. They probably sweep this one more time, take out yesterday's low. God, they had them all sitting here too. They're going to get them though. This would be an inversion long after they sweep this low. That was so stupid of me. Not even paying attention. Here comes a sweep to low, guys. Very, very bad here. Very bad trade for me. Alright, I'm in again. Oh, man, I didn't fill it. I'll wait for it. Looking for an inversion pump. Back up into this red block right here. We just built out another one, though. We need to reclaim this.
Order submitted.
There it is. Just fill me and get me out of the trade because I screwed up. Sweet! Holy crap, guys. I screwed up. I accidentally put 10 contracts in for the DCA on my other damn accounts. Man, that was like scary there for a minute. Woo! I'm glad I could read order flow because I wouldn't have been confident doing that if I didn't read it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stack buyers, guys. Stack buyers showing up. They want to reclaim this box here and get into this red box. We'll see what they do here. This is going to go up. This should go up. We got buyers, stack buyers. We just need to get through this area right here. This is the zone that we're going to have an issue with. I really wanted to see it sweep this bottom. It only, it swept the low, but it didn't sweep yesterday's low. I want to see it take out that. That's what I'm waiting for. I want to see it sweep the low. Here we go. I probably should stop trading. Guys, I'm at $354 on the day.
Come on, baby.
I want to say we're gonna wick this low, guys. We're gonna wick the low, that yellow line. I think we wick it. Do we get the inside swing here? Do we get an inside swing set up? I like it, but I think we got a sweep coming. They held it for support. Okay, they held it for support. I'm waiting to see if we come back to the zero line, guys. That's what I'm waiting for. Right here. Does this come back into the zero line? Okay. Those buyers just turned into 350 selling contracts. That's not looking good. Looks like buyers are being absorbed here. You probably have a short scalp to get below this low. Right? New 5-minute bar. Market shift just shifted. That's a good sign. Stack buyers coming in. I still think we get a sweep of the low and then the move. I really hope they sweep the low so I can enter the trade. I think I'm going to just do... I'm going to limp in with 1. Then I could DCA with 1.
Order submitted.
I'm in with 1. Can we get an inversion long here? 235 buyers. First green candle trying to be green anyways. Let's see. This is chop, guys. Oh, of course, the 4-hour bar just closed. So the wick of the new 4-hour bar will be below this low. You got a decision to make. Do you want to get out? I'd like to see it sweep this high of this wick right here. And then catch a bid and go boop, and give me a little turkey. Here we go. Boop, give me the turkey. There's the buyers. 214. Can they hold it?
Oh,
219. Can they do it? 230. Can they do it? We need to double that number. Can they do it? Can we hit their stops and run them? Boop, give me turkey. Figure out who you are as a trader. We are in this fib mark here. We may not go the first time. We may have to come back down. Let's see. 283.
What number we need?
I'm going to secure some. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm just taking profits, guys. Wow. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. That's 1 to 1. We need 2 to 1. 2 to 1 and we get a turkey, guys. There's 330. If this ends up with 600 contract, there it goes. I should have probably stayed in it. I knew it was going to go there.
What number are you looking at?
I'd be taking profits. The number on the top of the candle versus this number right here. See it?
Yeah.
There it is. Doubled up. There's the turkey. Damn it, man. Look at the buyers coming in, guys. Look at the buyers coming in right here. Boom. Those are all stop losses from short sellers. It should continue to the upside. Damn it. I knew I was reading this, but like, what the hell, dude? There's my buy. There's the buy on order flow. Let's see if it comes in. I'm going to wait and see if they pull it back one more time for me to get in. They're probably not going to give it to me. They're probably just going to blast this out of here because everybody's shorting the pullback. Guys, there's an internal volume showing up here. That's what this is starting to look like. The IV is starting to look very appealing to me. What does that mean? Well, for those of you that trade options, you should know what that means, right? That is on your graph right there, right? People taking profits down at this major support zone, and that profit taking drives price back up. So let's see what they do here. Again, I was looking for the inside fib. I want to see another pullback so I can get in, but we may not get it, guys. Nonetheless, I'm at target today. I probably need to stop trading, but I'm just like picking the market apart and getting that little bit of money here and there and walking away. The V shape is probably right here. So it's not that much further up. Right here. That's about to open, right? Yeah. ABC Cycle says we're long. We're in a C phase for a long. Now. Apple is starting to increase to the buy side. RTY looks beautiful for a long, guys. RTY looks really beautiful for the long. Pull back, buy it. Pull back, buy it. Pull back, buy it. We'll see. I definitely, if we get above 29.50 on RTY, it's gonna go back up. ES already got the V-shaped recovery coming in. ES sold off from 7,456, went down to 7,432, and is already back up to 7,452. So it's only 4 or 5 points from the high, from the open. Nasdaq's going up, guys. There's the buy signal. I just need a really good price to get in, or I could just say, you know what, I'm going to open up my stop, and I just got done talking about good trades and bad trades in class. That's a bad trade. If my risk is trying to stay around $100 per trade, then that's a bad trade, right? Now I'm back on the smaller accounts. I got those set up. I'm only at like $85 or $90 on the small accounts. I like to see a dip and then a big rip. I want to see this come back down. I know some of you guys probably say, no, I don't want it to come back down, but I need a place to buy it. Where's the next target? Hold on, I'll tell you. My charts are getting real messy here with all the take profits and stuff on there. But, so this is an inside swing that we marked to get to here. So this will still be, whoops, wrong one. I'm going to chop this up a little bit. Right now, we're not seeing the longs or the sells come in. We got the turkey, but that's all we got. So ideally, we pull back a little bit more. If I can get within that $100 sweep, that would be good. I'm at 192 here.
Order filled.
Come on, man. Give me a little better move than that. Pushing back into the buyers here. Probably going to get an inversion long here. And a pop. Here it comes. I'm not in the trade. That sucks. I was about to take it. Probably come back up into this high up here at this 500 level. ES is breaking through the high right now. We'll see if this turns into an impulse move to the downside and take people out. Or are they going to pop a continuation move here for an ABC swing up? A little dangerous here. A lot of rejections off of this level. They don't like getting above this 8440 area. We're getting rejection. Here's the impulsive stop run. This is what I've been waiting for. Come on. Sweep that previous low. It's going to. Or it should based off order flow. Here it comes. It's going to sweep this low right here of this green candle. 386 going to take it out. Here it comes. Boom. It just took it out. Now we get to see what the market really wants to do here. Is that a C phase to sweep the low? Down to 8,300? Dirty, boy. Crazy. Guys, I love it when we only have to take small moves like this to get a trade. Yeah, on the 50K accounts, I'm up $1,000 this week. That's pretty good. Make another 1,000 next week and withdraw, baby. Here it comes, guys. This is what I was just talking about, right? This is what I was just talking about. Now, are we going to hold this? Right now, we just got a sell signal that says, no, we're going to sweep this low. I would have to probably agree with sweeping the low, but we are in a C phase. You're in a CC phase, and this is a 50-50 swing. What does that mean? Let me explain this to you in detail so you understand. Forget about all these orders that are telling you what to do right now. You have an A up here. You have a B here. We push back into C. We did not get the inversion long, so this should break down. In hindsight 20, this is support. That's an A until we break it. This is a B, and this could be a C for you to break out to go long. So know where you're at, but right now this is going to do exactly what we said. It is going to take out this low. I'm not interested in taking a trade here. This may fall 200 or 300 points. Okay, it could drop 200 or 300 points right now in an instant. Why? Because we're breaking the major levels, but we don't know if it's going to do it. It could. What does that look like? How nasty can that be? It would be really nasty. So people are trying to buy this support zone, right? The overnight low, last night's low. They're trying to hold it. They came down and whacked everybody out. They don't want you to be long, okay? If this wants to go short, this is what it looks like, guys. If it wants to go to short, this would be a target. If you're on a short bias, take it. I'm not so sure that I want to short the low. And of course, on the long, we have this support zone, which we have not closed below. We wicked it, but we didn't close below it yet. We're coming back up into the zone up here. ideally. You buy the lows, sell the highs. You don't want to try shorting these lows unless you're making lower lows and lower highs. Now, this would have been a good short because this is a pullback, and that's your lower high, right, to get to here. Now you're shorting what we would call a what? And what is this called? What is that called? A B O S. If we break and close below it, we have a break of structure. If we don't close below it, that break of structure is no good and it holds and we drive price back up. So you got to make yourself up. Are you a bull or bear? Are you a bull or bear? You want to be a bear, you're selling. If you want to be a bull, you're buying. We're in a demand zone, right? Come down here and find buyers in the demand zone, a liquidity area. Now, if this wants to sell off, it could just push right into this box again. And we can go down, or this can be, if you guys are pattern traders, we get that W pattern and back up. You have to make up your mind. What do you want to be here? So far, we got 235 buyers in this candle. They're buying them, trying to. Can they buy back enough to get us going? This move down sold 800 contracts. Enough for them to get in and buy them back. Now is the time to say, okay, what would your risk management be if you took a long? Right? You're going to get a long in here. $160. Is that something you want? I'm going to entertain that.
Order submitted.
I'm going to entertain the long, move my take profit up. We swept the low. We'll see. Do we get a move back up? $200 points here. Come on. We can do 200 points. 370. Can we do it? I'm starting not to like it. We're losing our buyers already. I'm taking this off, guys. I don't like this. Let's see what they do. They're holding structure. Okay, this could be... I don't like this, right? Look, I'm looking at all these rejection wicks here. We need to get above these because what that is showing to me, right? They're squeezing the longs here. Or they're squeezing the shorts. I don't know which one they're doing. You got a double bottom here. We got a sweep of the low. It looks good for the long. Looks really juicy for the long. But order flow is still not producing the numbers that now we are. Here comes 400 buyers. Let's see if we get a pop. If we get a pop above this zone, we can see the BOS come in. Right? Break up structure. Price comes through. Retest and we go. Right? So if we can get above these wicks, this is the liquidity zone. People are going to try and sell it and they're going to operate off the sell side. Running their running their stops, right? I think this is a bear trap right here. I think they're trapping sellers here to run price higher. That's what order flow is showing right now. But we'll see. Could turn quickly into the other side where they're trapping buyers and then they run it short. You know, I should just be happy with the $1,000 this week in each one of those accounts and just be good with it. Yeah, if you're a pattern trader, I mean, well, I am a pattern trader. I only trade this pattern. But when you look at M's and you look at W's, right, you have this pattern in both of those. So people just kind of added the other leg to it, right? Nothing wrong with it, but I'm just saying. So if you are a pattern trading, this could be a W, right? Or could this turn into an M pattern where you're trading this right here? Right? Yeah, absolutely. You do what you want. I'm just saying. Somebody is getting squeezed here. Is it the buyers or sellers? I think we're about to find some liquidity here and blow up. 460. This is really stupid. I don't even know if I want to get involved in any more trades. The market is not pumping. It's not going anywhere right now as we speak. There's a little bit of divergence here, so we'll see which way it wants to pump. There's no catalyst here to make the market move. Let's see. Do the buyers show up? They're trying again. Stack buyers? Only 18. Market shift just shifted up. If we start getting bid here, we will see price do two things. Push away from the market price or push down away from the market price. This market shift is fair value area. Fair value price right here. Meaning they're okay with buying it.
This area is having a tough time.
Told you it's going to be choppy, bro.
Yeah. You think it's done sweeping the lows?
I have no idea here, man. This is kind of scary. I think we're going to pop up. But what I think doesn't matter. It's what this order flow is going to tell us here. It's trying to complete the story, and they're not letting it complete it.
Right. Got a minute to the 30-minute candle.
Yeah, the half an hour is over. I think we get a pop here. We got 22 buyers in the market right now, 34.65 buying contracts. This is a very hard zone because your resistance is between yellow line to yellow line now.
Yeah.
To be honest, guys, with the way the market price is moving right now, I think, honestly, I'm just going to walk away. It's Friday. I'm green.
Yeah, I think I'm about to get out of here too.
I'm not where I want to be in my second set of accounts here. I'm not where I want to be in my second set of accounts here, but these I didn't trade. I just put in withdrawals on these. This is the lead account, so this is this account over here. No, it's not. Sorry. Or is it? Yeah, that's the lead account. No, it ain't. That's
What a sucky day.
this account right here is the lead account. I didn't go up. I got to scroll down. Anyways, that lead account that's the lead account. So that's trading all my accounts. So I close off the ones in profits and whatever, and then I hook up the other ones to it. But anyways, not looking like a bad day, right? This was phenomenal. I wanted to get this one up to 200, and I just this is a pullback, guys, or it's going to sweep it. I just don't know what it's going to do, and without knowing, I don't want to take any more trades. I really don't. Not till it's a clear direction. And the sad part is, if it breaks down, you got to say right here, are you good with the sell? Are you good with this sell right now? You don't want to sell it when it breaks the bottom. You want to be in this zone right here with a 1-bar stop or 2-bar stop if you think the market is short. If you think it's long, you're buying here with a stop below the low. Right? The market has pushed down so far that the market's got a good chance to get back up to those TPs up there. There's a squeeze here. They're squeezing the longs, it looks like, but right? So that's your squeeze. Are they going to come down and get lower than this? 480 sellers. I'm going to have to say yeah. Unless they're getting these sellers in and then they run the other side of them. Yeah, this is really bad, man. Really bad. This market right now could get you on full tilt, guys. So don't push the issue. It can make you very frustrating when the market doesn't go the direction that we want it to go. Or it pulls back just enough to get you out, and then it rips in your direction and you get all pissed off, right? This is one of those setups. The sweep of the low it more than likely will happen. Here we go again. You got 500 in this candle. 3,300 heavy on the delta. Well, I think I'm going to do it because I'm not shorting the bottom, so... Guys, I think I'm going to just keep my profits for today. It is Friday. It's been a great week of trading. Here comes a big run. Let's see. A big pop. Now, yeah. What we don't want is a triple bottom. A triple bottom, which could happen, right? Here we go. See, this is what I'm talking about. Or this candle closed lower, so ideally we push down more, right? It closed lower. Ideally we push more, but they don't have to. This candle gets taken out, you can see the buyers pick this price right back up. Market shift down. We really want to trade away from the market shift now, that yellow line. Insane. Insane, guys. 8:30. Another little pullback. 217 buyers in this candle. You had 600 in the last candle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk away, guys. All right, guys. I would think that they're gonna push this flush. This is gonna flush this down. ES is holding this up. Guys on YouTube, thanks for coming in. We are green. We did make some money today. Markets are a little bit more choppy now. I'm going to go ahead and call it the session. I'm going to go ahead and trade with my group here. As always, if you hit that like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. And as always, we're bringing new content and new indicators that tell you how to trade. With that being said, hit that like and subscribe button, and I would appreciate it. We're building the channel back up. And I will see you guys later. Have a blessed day. Have a great weekend. I'm out.